the makeup for me. It's the dark lip for me. I know this is a skincare video, but I just had to say that, okay? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jasmine. If you're new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button and join the family. I would love to have you guys here. So today's video is going to be all about skincare. I did a poll on Instagram about like 2 weeks ago asking you guys what you would like to see from me next, and a lot of people voted for skincare. And honestly, it makes sense because a lot of people are taking this time to really care for their skin and to give their skin that extra TLC. So I thought I would bring back another episode of Let's Talk Skin. For those of you guys who are new to my channel, Let's Talk Skin is a series that I do here where it's like I review skincare products or I just share with you guys my current faves. So today I wanted to focus on serums because serums are what really treat certain concerns on your skin, whether it's hyperpigmentation, dryness, you know, large pores, anything that you're trying to target. Now my skin type is dry.com.org.worldwidenet. It is dry. Okay, period. And another huge concern of mine is hyperpigmentation, which is very common amongst women of color, as well as texture. But for me, texture and dry skin go hand in hand. So I'm gonna be giving you guys my top 5 serums that I would highly recommend for those skin concerns, maybe top 6 max. So the first one I'm gonna start with is by Pharmacy. Now this serum is one that I've been using, I would say, for the past 2 years now. I always recommend this serum to anybody who has texture. This is Pharmacy's Honeymoon Glow AHA Resurfacing Night Serum with hydrating honey and gentle flower acids. This is my go-to for when I have a really bad texture, flare-ups, really bad heat rash in the summer times. That happens to me a lot. My skin gets little bumps all over my face, and this is my go-to to treat that. I apply this, you know, maybe for a week or 2 straight, and it really gets rid of those bumps. I would say if you have sensitive skin, you're gonna want to use this maybe like once a week max, or just do a little patch test before you go ahead and apply it all over your face. So personally, I can get away with applying it like 3-4 times a week. I don't go over that just because it's such a strong serum, and I don't feel like I need to apply it every single day, if that makes sense. So it says online that this is a 3-in-1 night serum that resurfaces, hydrates, and clarifies dull skin for a healthier, natural looking glow. It's formulated with 14% AHA BHA gentle flower acids blend to reveal a more youthful looking complexion. It's made with clean ingredients. It's environmentally friendly. It also says that it exfoliates dead skin cells, promotes cell renewal, targets hyperpigmentation, and helps reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Perfect for all skin types. It has hyaluronic acid along with their proprietary honey blend to deliver intense yet gentle hydration to ensure skin is never dry or overstripped. I love how they mentioned that people felt like their skin was more smooth and retexturized, because that's literally what I go to this product for. I don't have acne prone skin, but I do get really dry patches, and when that happens, it's really bad, and like it sometimes can be all over my face. It will just be really bumpy. It's not the best, to be honest, but this one right here always is my go-to, and I recommend it to anybody. I don't really go for this product for like getting rid of hyperpigmentation and things like that. I mean, the fact that it has hyaluronic acid and helps, you know, hydrate the skin is always a plus, but I don't really use this mainly for, you know, getting rid of hyperpigmentation. I mainly focus it on texture. So that is my tea and my 2 cents on this product, okay? So now I want to move in to another product that you guys have seen me rave about. Every skincare video that I do, I feel like low-key mentions this product, and that's because it's that good, guys, honestly, in my opinion. This is the Radiance Serum. As you can see, like, I don't have much left of this product, and I go through this so fast. I love it. My mom is obsessed with it as well. It's really great for hyperpigmentation. If you just want your skin to be, you know, perfection, glowing, even it out, this is the one for you. Now for me, I do get like hormonal pimples here and there on my foreheads. It's always on my forehead. I don't understand why they all like to chill over here, okay? It's annoying. So, but the thing is, even if I don't pop it, it always leaves a dark mark, which is so irritating. So I've noticed that when I'm consistent with this, which honestly with all these skincare products and skincare in general, consistency is key. You can't just be using it, you know, once every other month and expect for your skin to see some changes. That's just not gonna happen, okay? It's not like makeup where you can just, you know, cover things up and it's a quick fix. This is like a long-term fix. So you gotta be consistent and show your skin that love and it will work. work. But for me, I notice when I'm very consistent, I automatically can see, you know, those scars brightening up, which I love. I even got my cousin onto this and he loved it because it really did help clear up his acne scars. So I feel like this is just a overall product that any skin type can use. It mentions online that the Vino Perfect Radiance Serum is a cult favorite, and I agree. I second that, period. Wow, this is so cool, guys. It says that the Skin Tone Evening Serum is 62 times more effective than vitamin C at boosting radiance and evening the complexion. It's meant for all skin types, like I mentioned, reduces the appearance of dark spots, like I mentioned as well, and you can use this day or night. And it also says that 87% reported a brighter and more even complexion, 83% reported a decrease in the appearance of dark spots. So pretty much everything that I mentioned to you guys is what the website is saying, and I can honestly vouch for if you're looking for something to really clear your hyperpigmentation, this is the product for you, the Vino Perfect Radiance Serum. Now the next serum is all about hydration, okay? And I am obsessed with this serum. I just started using it, I would say, for the past maybe 3 months, and I really love it. I go in with this every single day before I apply my makeup. It's one of my must-have steps to prep my skin, and this is by Belief. Now this is their Hungarian water essence. It says it's an essence, but it's pretty much a lightweight hydrating serum. And what I love about this is that it's super lightweight, but it leaves a long-lasting power of hydration. And it says that it recharges the skin's lost hydration back in an instant. This formula contains a blend of herbs including rosemary, lavender, and powerful hydrating antioxidant agents. This ultra lightweight watery texture instantly glides onto the skin to provide a burst of powerful moisture that penetrates the skin for long-lasting hydration, leaving the skin healthy, looking soft and supple. I have nothing else to tell you guys about this other than you guys gotta pick it up, and I'll make sure to insert on the screen here the price of each serum so you guys can see that, and everything will be linked in the description box below so you guys can go ahead and read up more about the serums as well. So definitely would recommend, 10 out of 10. Thank me later, period. Okay, now if you're someone who's looking for just pure hyaluronic acid, I didn't have this on my list of top 5 products, but I'll include it quickly. This is the Glow Recipe Plump Hyaluronic Acid Serum. It's for deep hydration and glow, and I've been testing this one out for like the past 3 weeks, fairly recent, but I've been loving it. My skin hasn't reacted bad to it at all, and it does give a really good amount of hydration. I honestly like this hyaluronic acid a lot more than the ordinary hyaluronic acid. For some reason, that one always used to ball up on my skin, and I don't know why, but this one doesn't do that. So if you're looking for a good hyaluronic acid, I would recommend this one for sure. And I'll keep you guys posted on how I like it more long-term in maybe another skincare follow-up. Now the next serum I want to talk to you guys about is by Guerlain. I feel like I always butcher the name, so I apologize in advance. Now this is their Royale Double R Renew and Repair Serum. This is literally perfection, okay? This is another serum that I also use to target like really bad dry patches, texture flare-ups, and it mentions online that this is a serum with a soft peel treatment to effectively diminish the visible signs of aging, dullness, uneven texture, like I mentioned, loss of firmness and elasticity, as well as pores. So really good points that you might want to target in your skin. It covers that. Now what I love about this product is not only does it target my main concerns, which are texture and dryness, but it also has anti-aging properties in it, which is great because I feel like I'm definitely at that age where I want to start incorporating more anti-aging products into my skincare routine. Now like I mentioned earlier, this one by Pharmacy definitely has more of a sting to it. If you are very sensitive, you're not going to be able to use this one, but this one would be the best substitute. You don't feel any discomfort and it gets the job done. So check this one out and thank me later, okay? And last but not least, we have another GOAT right here, one of my definite top favorites. This is by Estee Lauder and this is their Advanced Night Repair Serum. I recommend this to so many people as well. I've been loving it. Now this serum is known, of course, mainly for its anti-aging properties. When I hear products that target more like fine lines and wrinkles, I always used to think, you know, I'm not at that stage yet. I really don't need to be using products for fine lines and wrinkles. I don't know, that's what I used to think before until I started getting more educated about skincare. And I'm very expressive naturally with my forehead as well, guys. Like, if something is weird, I'll always be like, you know, I always do like weird faces naturally. And I remember when I was in uni, like some of my friends always used to laugh and be like, girl, you need to stop being so expressive with your face because you're gonna get too many wrinkles. And I'm just like, sis, it's life. at the end of the day. Like, I can't help it. I'm just expressive. I wear my reactions on my face, okay? But what the serum taught me and showed me is that if I'm really proactive with my skincare routine and I take the proper measures and use the proper products, that I can, you know, prevent certain aging signs on my skin ahead of time if I'm consistent. And I'm gonna be turning 26 soon, so which I can't even believe. It's actually crazy. So your girl is due to be using anti-aging products. I just be lying to myself, to be honest, okay? And now that I have, I can actually see a huge difference, and it's become like a life-changing product for me, because I'm like, wow, this actually makes a difference. Like, I don't have that many wrinkles yet, but it's already helping. So imagine if I use this long term, it's gonna keep my skin, you know, looking young and cute, okay? Period. And I forgot to mention, this is the newer version that they just relaunched not that long ago. And the serum is meant for all skin types. I just wanted to mention that. And I went on their site and it says this is ideal for those who want, you know, visible age prevention. And that's exactly what I was mentioning to you guys that this serum was doing for my skin. It says that it helps with the loss of firmness, it tones the skin, gets rid of lines and wrinkles, dryness, dehydration, includes hyaluronic acid, helps with dullness, loss of radiance, and uneven skin tone. And I was really intrigued by that because personally my knowledge of this product is that it's only meant for anti-aging. I never knew that it included hyaluronic acid, or that it helps, you know, with the hydration of your skin, and that it helps even your skin tone. I'm so glad that I started using it and implementing it into my nighttime skincare routine. I would highly recommend. And yeah, guys, that brings me to the end of this video. That is my top 5/top 6 actually favorite serums for dry, hyperpigmentation, textured skin, okay? So if you guys want some clear, pop-in skin or want to get rid of those skin concerns, make sure you guys go ahead and check out the products in my description box. You guys can find them there and start treating your skin nicely today, period, okay? That sounded like a funny infomercial, but anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Come say hi in the comments. I love talking to you guys in the comments. It actually makes my day. Also, make sure you have your bell notifications turned on so you don't miss out on any of my uploads, okay? And like always, I'll see you guys in my next video.